Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to enable dark mode in Android One UI. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now go to Display and Brightness. Here you can see dark theme. If you want to enable this, then turn on this button. That's it. So this is how to enable dark mode in Android One UI. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.